Hello guys, we are here at what do you call this one?
Emporium Hotel,
We are here at Emporium Hotel,
South Bank,
South Bank,
Brisbane, Queensland, Australia.
Brisbane, Australia. Along with me guys is Derek, the film director Oliver Robles. So here guys, akyat kami sa taas, tapos kasi overlooking siya, napakaganda. Tingnan na, Emporium mo, ganda. Tapos sandali ka. Yan po guys, yan, ganda oh. Katatapos lang namin mag dinner. So guys, ayan, si Derek, tingin ka Derek. Yan si Derek, ayan.
Rock and roll.
So mag start na po yung shooting ng ano, Mr. Part 2. Hindi naman ito yan. So, yes. See guys, bye-bye.
Mas maganda nga yan nai-promote na.
Oh, yes. Tingnan na guys kung gaano kaganda yung ano, yung Emporium Hotel. Ganda guys, oh. As you can see, super ganda. Ganda ganda, colorful ang hotel na to. Ayan, magkukross, magbubukas. Ayan, ayan dito kami. Tingnan nyo guys, papalit-palit yung kulay. Ganda. Yan ang mga ano nila, oh. Concierge. Tingnan guys, ganda.
Yan. What's it? Oh yan. Koala.
That's koala.
May koala na oh.
Okay, so Emporium Hotel and Residences.